Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and use a Ledger hardware wallet. So in the box you're going to find a few different things, and you're going to find this bit of paper which says configure my device, get started at, and it's going to give you a URL. So I'm going to hop online and type in the URL that this paper has given me. So here I am now on the Ledger site. So now I just need to go to download over here. And there are different operating systems I can select. I'm going to select Mac app because I'm on a Mac. And now it's downloading. I just need to wait for it. So once the file is finished downloading, I will place it onto my applications folder. And then I'll switch onto the Ledger because I need to set up the Ledger so that then eventually I can pair it with the Ledger Live application. So I'm now going to switch onto the Ledger. So now I'm going to set up the Ledger hardware wallet. I'm opening it over here and I'm going to fetch the wire and I'm going to connect it. So I've got this bit over here that I'm connecting into the Ledger, and I've got the other side which is a USB. So I'm going to connect that directly to my laptop. It says welcome to Ledger Nano S, and I'm pressing the right button. Press left or right button to navigate. So either left to go back and right to go forward. Press both buttons to validate. So if I press both buttons at the top, I will validate whatever is on the screen. Get started at ledger.com/start. We've done that already. Set up as new device. Restore from recovery phrase. So just in case something happens to your Ledger, you can restore your wallet on this Ledger, or else if it breaks, you can restore it on another wallet, whether another Ledger or another brand of hardware wallet or a hot wallet. And we need to set up as new device. So I'm going to select this option. So now I've got to choose a PIN. And I can set the PIN number to be anywhere between 4 and 8 digits. So if I press the left button, I can go down in the sequence of numbers, and if I press the right button, I can go up. Well, depending on where you're at in the sequence, because if I press the left button when I'm on 1, it will go back down to 9. So I'm going to set the PIN, and I'm going to get back to you in a moment. So I've set my PIN number, and I've also confirmed my PIN number. And now my Ledger device is saying your device will generate 24 words. So this is the secret seed which I am going to need to write on this recovery sheet over here. Now this comes in the box. And as you can see over here, I've got the numbers over here to put all my words down on the sheet. Now this is really important. So I can afford to lose my PIN number. I can set up the Ledger again with a new PIN. But if I lose this recovery phrase, I've lost access to all my cryptocurrency and I cannot get it back. So it's really important that you keep this in a safe place where you remember where it is and no one else has access to this recovery sheet, because otherwise they'll get access to your cryptocurrency. So now we're going to generate the 24 words to generate the recovery phrase. They are your recovery phrase. It is your only backup to restore your accounts if needed. Write it down on your recovery sheet in the correct order. Press both buttons to continue. So I'm going to press both buttons. Now this is the first word, and I'm going to start writing them down on the recovery sheet. Once I'm done writing them down, I'll get back to this video. So I've gone and written down all the words that the Ledger has provided me. And now it's asking me to confirm the recovery seed phrase. So it's going to give me some options, as you can see over here, for each word. So for the first one, it's express. So I've got to select express over here in the list. And now it's showing me or asking me for me to confirm word number 2, which I'm going to go and do. And I'm going to do it for the whole sequence of words, and I'm going to get back to you in a bit. Okay, so now I've set my recovery phrase, and I'm going to go and continue and press the right button. And it says, keep it in a secure place. If lost, stolen or forgotten, all your assets will be irremediately lost. Never share it with anyone. Ledger will never ask you for it. Press both buttons to continue. Okay, so now it's processing. And it says your device is now ready. Press both buttons to enter dashboards. Now this is the part where I need to hop on to Ledger Live, because I need to sync the Ledger device with Ledger Live. Okay, so now I'm on Ledger Live, and what you would need to do once you open the application is select the color mode, select the device, whether you have a Ledger Nano S or X, and the Ledger Live application will also prompt you to check that the device, the Ledger Hardware Wallet device, is a genuine device. And once it's done that and it's checked it, you'll be able to set up a password for Ledger Live. So this is a separate thing to the PIN that you have on the Ledger Hardware device. Now, by default, your Ledger Live application will load onto the portfolio section, but I am at the moment on the manager section because I need to install the crypto apps that I need. Firstly, I need to allow the Ledger Manager to access the device. So now we can download the apps that we need onto the Ledger. So these are the ones of the cryptocurrencies we'd like to buy and to use. So I can go to, as you can see over here, there's app catalog and apps installed. We can remain on the app catalog. Now you can either scroll through the list, or you can actually search for a particular app. As you can see over here, I can put in Polkadot. In my case, I want to download Bitcoin, and the download button, the install button, is hidden just behind this video, but it's over there on the right hand side on the same line as the Bitcoin app. So I'm clicking it to install it. So now all I need to do is just wait for it to install. And it's done. So now I can just check that it's installed by clicking apps installed over here. And as you can see, the Bitcoin app is listed. So that's done it successfully. Now I need to place the Bitcoin account into my accounts. So all I need to do is go to accounts over here. And over here there's the button for add account. And I need to search here for Bitcoin. So then just press continue. And I need to select the Bitcoin app on my Ledger. And let it sync with Ledger Live. Now I have some other accounts, so I've got to make sure that I label this account properly so I don't confuse one between another, because I already have another Ledger loaded onto Ledger Live. So you can load as many ledgers as you like onto Ledger Live. And here we go, I labeled it properly, and I'm adding the account. And it's done. So I've successfully added the account. And there it is, listed at the bottom. And now just a handy tip for you to know. If you need to remove any apps from the Ledger Live, from the Ledger hardware wallet, you can do so. It's not a problem. It doesn't mean just because you remove apps to make space for some other apps that you're going to lose your cryptocurrency that's stored on the app. You can easily go on apps installed and click to uninstall any apps that you don't need at the time. And then when you need them again, you can just go and reinstall the app. It's not a problem. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you is how to receive funds into your wallet. So you need to go to either receive over here in the menu, or you can even go through accounts over here and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive funds into, which account you want. And then over here in receive, you've got to select the cryptocurrency you want to receive your funds into, and which account or which wallet. Press continue. And I've got to plug in my ledger over here and input my PIN. Okay, so now over there I can see the wallet address, the Bitcoin wallet address, which I'd need to copy, and I'd need to paste it into the exchange where I've bought my Bitcoin so I can send it to this Bitcoin wallet. Now I just need to press done. To send funds out of the wallet, I would need to press send over here in the menu, and then just follow the prompts that Ledger Live provides. So it will ask me which wallet I want to send funds out of, and then I'd need to input the amount I want to send, and I'd need to input the address where I would like the crypto, whether Bitcoin or whatever, to go to. And then I'd need to confirm the transaction on my Ledger device. If you would like to buy a Ledger device, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to the official Ledger website. So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you very much for watching.